Meaning of eugenicist.
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 Eugenicist. The term eugenicist refers to a person who advocates for or practices eugenics, which is the belief in improving the genetic quality of the human population through selective breeding. Eugenicists believe in promoting traits deemed desirable while discouraging or eliminating those considered undesirable. This ideology has been used historically to justify forced sterilization, restrictive immigration policies, and even genocide. The result of eugenics has been devastating, with marginalized communities being targeted and oppressed. Eugenic practices are widely rejected by modern society due to their violations of human rights and scientific inaccuracies.